I wanted to take a minute to show you what a lawnmower blade looks like. It's a real common one on most Briggs and Stratton engines. I believe this one is this is a Boland's mower, little push mower with a fixed wheel. And somewhere along the way they replaced the blade, and this blade is installed upside down. And how do you know that? Well, what you want to do is look at this discharge chute over here. And as you guys know, the blade is going to turn this way and throw the grass out that chute, out that angle. You can tell by the angle of the chute over there that that's where it's going to go. And then you have to ask yourself, okay, is the cutting edge leading to that chute? And the answer is no. They've got the lift on this blade facing down, which is a problem. And of course the cutting edge is never really engaged in the first cut on your grass, so it's going to be ugly and difficult to get through thick grass because you're mowing with a square back of that blade. And so this blade needs to be turned over, and I just wanted to show you that because sometimes it helps to see what not to do in order to see what you should do. So you want the lift on the blade facing up, throwing the grass up towards the deck. You want the cutting edge driving towards that open chute.